guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. In this episode, I finally get my stator for this one stator that's bad. It's only giving out about 8 volts. So to make this tractor run the way it should, I bought myself a new stator. Same exact replacement, Briggs & Stratton dual circuit 5 amp stator. You know it's the dual circuit 5 amp stator because the wire is one black one and one red one. The red one goes into a shrink-wrapped diode over here. This diode is what regulates the DC voltage coming out into 12, 13 volts, you know. If you didn't have the diode in there, it would be something like 25, 28, 30 amps, volts AC, which wouldn't work. So you need that diode in there. So I'm just going to take off the 4 bolts for the engine shroud cover, take that off, get an impact wrench, take the nut off of this top, take the cup off, then use the towel away and put a crowbar underneath, lift up, bam, and try to get that flywheel loosened up from the crankshaft. Then after that, it exposes the stator. I'll put the stator back on, put everything back together again, and hopefully it'll be charging at 12, 13 volts, you know. And I say again, hopefully. So, you guys saw what I just did there. It literally took me 26 seconds to change the stator. That flywheel came off like clockwork. Did it the Taro way. You saw that large crowbar underneath, just the right leverage, right? And then one or two whacks with the sledgehammer right on there. Pop right off. The QA on there. Everything went in very well. One of the fastest stator changes I've ever done. So you know what? I'm just gonna go and see if this works now. So my battery died. Stator works just fine, charges as it should. I put the hood back on, as well as the side panels. Check that out, huh? What do you guys think, man? Is that badass or what? That's pretty badass, right? Got the trailer all set up. Nice. What do you guys think? $500 with the trailer? That's a pretty good deal, no? I don't know. More or less? You know, it's a little raggedy and stuff, but it's cool, huh? Really cool. And always starts up. Slow. This is like 4th gear. That was low throttle though. I'm just going to park it here and see what happens.
Meanwhile, at Pete Lombardi's house.
Oh, what a fucking retard. Oh, that's fucked up.
Meanwhile, at Pete Lombardi's house.
Hey guys, support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at Mowers Blowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next project. Have a great day.